Today, we're going to talk about one of life's simplest pleasures, a warm cup of tea. But did you know that with just a few small additions, your regular tea can become a powerful remedy to support your health, especially for those of us in our golden years? So grab your favorite mug, sit back, and let's explore what you can add to your tea to boost immunity, soothe stress, and keep your digestion running smoothly. Mint does more than freshen your breath. Its aroma has a calming effect on the nervous system. If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or having trouble sleeping, mint tea, or adding a few fresh mint leaves to your regular tea, can help calm the mind. But that's not all. Mint also helps with digestion. It stimulates bile flow and reduces spasms in the intestines. That means less bloating, less nausea, and less discomfort after meals. And during allergy season or when you have a cold, mint, especially the menthol in it, can open your airways and ease breathing. So the next time your stomach feels a little off or your nerves are on edge, try steeping a few mint leaves in your tea. Your body and your mind will thank you. Now let's talk about something sweet, fruit. Fruit doesn't just make your tea more flavorful. When added to hot water, fruits release antioxidants, natural sugars, and vitamins that enhance both taste and nutrition. Try slices of apple with cinnamon, or fresh peach in white tea, or even blueberries in black tea. These combinations not only delight the senses, they also support your heart, brain, and immune system. And don't forget, the scent of fruit itself, like citrus, apple, or mango, can lift your mood and reduce stress. Think of it as a little aromatherapy in a cup. Citrus fruits like lemon and orange are excellent additions to your tea, especially if you want to boost your immune system. Just a slice of lemon or a bit of zest adds a burst of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immunity and helps fight inflammation. The peel, too, contains polyphenols that have been linked to lower cancer risks and improved brain health. A warm cup of green tea with lemon in the morning? That's not just refreshing, it's medicine in a mug. Let's talk ginger. If you've ever had stomach discomfort, you might already know the calming power of ginger tea. But even a few slices of fresh ginger or a small sprinkle of ground ginger can make a big difference. Ginger is known for aiding digestion, reducing nausea, fighting inflammation, and even supporting the immune system. It's especially helpful after a heavy meal or if you feel queasy. Studies have even shown ginger to have antimicrobial and anti-carcinogenic properties. So if your tummy feels uneasy or your joints are stiff, try ginger in your next cup of tea. It might become your new daily habit. Now, this one might surprise you. Milk in tea. Yes, adding a splash of milk, especially to strong black tea, can make the drink smoother and easier on the stomach. Tea contains tannins, which sometimes irritate the stomach lining. Milk helps neutralize that effect. And let's not forget, milk provides calcium, protein, and B vitamins. Plus, for those who love a creamy taste, it enhances the tea without needing sugar. Just keep in mind, if you're sensitive to dairy, try plant-based alternatives like oat or almond milk. Let's pause for a moment and talk about preparation. For the best health benefits, use fresh ingredients when possible. Fresh mint, fresh ginger, fresh citrus. Avoid adding sugar. Instead, sweeten with a bit of honey if needed. Let your tea steep properly. Green tea for 2 to 3 minutes, black tea for 3 to 5 minutes, and herbal teas even longer. And most importantly, make tea time a moment of peace. Turn off the news, silence your phone, and enjoy a few minutes just for yourself. The ritual of tea is as healing as the drink itself. So the next time you make yourself a cup of tea, don't just think of it as a beverage. Think of it as self-care in a cup. Add mint for calm, fruit for antioxidants, ginger for digestion, lemon for immunity, or milk for a soothing, smooth finish. Take time for yourself. You've earned it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay well, stay warm, and stay curious.